Here's an update on the diamond art painting that I've been working on. Now, the company was kind enough to send this to me. But look how pretty that shines and sparkles. You can still see that I still have a little bit to fill in here and over here too. But for the most part, the top is, I would say, 90% done. Then I have some of the bottom done, and I've got some of this corner done. So I want to show you, though, how nice of a canvas this is. This is a really thick, nice canvas that's not wrinkled. The last two that I've done, the canvas has been wrinkly and it's very thin. It's hard to work on, and the drills or diamonds don't stick very well. And then when you go to frame it or however you're going to display it, it doesn't look very good. So this one is a much better quality. The adhesive on this one is really good. It sticks really well. I also want to show you the tool that it came with. Now, the other tools that I have been using have this type of tip. And then I saw that this one had this, and I didn't know what it was for. I didn't know if it was, you know, something decorative or what it was for. And my sister-in-law told me that it's so you can do up to 3 at a time, which I thought was such a great idea. So let me move this out of the way, and then let me show you. So what I've been doing is, let me see if I can get 3 in a row here. Oh, I forgot to bring my glasses up. This is going to be challenging. This is going to be hard for me to see. Oh, here we go. So I've been using this end of the tool to slide these where I want them, or put these where I want them, so that I can get them to line up. See, there's having trouble here. Yeah, I definitely needed my glasses for this. Oh, here we go. Here's one. Okay, so I use the end of my tool. I have not put anything sticky on the end of this tool at all. And then on this, so I've got those 3 in a row, so I can do all 3 at the same time. So there you go. You can see that I picked them all up at the same time, and they do come off just as easily as if you did one. Let me see if I can find where this goes. Once again, I should have had my glasses. There we go. And this also came with this finger protector, which is really nice. It's easy to hold on to. And the only thing I don't care about is that it slides, which, you know, there isn't anything I can do about that. I just move it around, or I hold it up above. But I really like this. And by not putting the sticky glue on the end of this one, I'm able to use it. Like if I get one in the wrong spot, I can push it and move it over to where I need it. Or if I don't get it lined up correctly, I can use it to push it over. Whereas if I put the adhesive on it, it would be more difficult to do. And it does come with the little square of sticky stuff to go on the end of these. And this fills just like this end would. So you just put it on there, scrape it off just like you do the smaller one. So this works really well. I cannot wait to get this finished and into a frame. So I hope that you will give this a try.